Ready to turn your Solana into cash or other crypto on Coinbase? Let's jump right into it. First, open your Coinbase app and tap on the Assets tab. This is where all your crypto holdings live. Scroll down until you find Solana, also known as SOL, and tap on it to access your Solana wallet. Now, look for the Sell button. It's usually prominently displayed. Go ahead and tap that to start the selling process. Here, you'll enter the amount of Solana you want to sell. You can either type in a specific amount or use the Max button to sell all of your SOL. Choose your desired currency, like USD, and preview the sale. This will show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Review the transaction details carefully. Take close attention to the fees and the final amount you'll receive. Then, tap Sell Now to execute the trade before the price changes. Coinbase gives you a few seconds before the price is confirmed. Congratulations, your Solana has been successfully sold. You can now see your updated balance in your chosen currency within your Coinbase account. Remember, depending on the amount and your location, there might be tax implications, so consider consulting a professional if you are unsure.